Now in today's video, I want you to be kind. I don't want to hear any negative comments about my awful haircut. It's really bad. I don't know what the hairstylist was thinking, but she took off all my hair. Anyway, folks, be kind in the comments, okay? Now let's jump right into today's video subject. And what it is this. I'm going to tell you about the best $149 I have ever spent at Harbor Freight. I'm going to tell you what the tool is, and I'm going to show you how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and at the top of the video, I talked about the best $149 I ever spent. Now recently I was at Harbor Freight, and I was there with my little brother, and he turns to me and he says, Leah, this is what you need right here. And I looked at it and I was like, I don't think so. But then I went ahead and I purchased it. I gotta tell you, I'm really glad I did, folks, because it wound up being one of the best $149 purchases I have ever made at Harbor Freight. And what it is it's something called the Homeowner. And it's a cart that attaches to the back of your riding lawnmower or an ATV. It attaches really easily. This is the hardware and the only hardware you need to attach the trailer to your vehicle. In my case, to my riding lawnmower. Now, what you may not know about me and the ugly house here, which is the project that I'm working on, well, the yard is a little over a half an acre. And that doesn't sound like a whole lot. But folks, I gotta tell you, in the Florida sun, when it's 100 degrees, oh my goodness, it's a lot of yard to maintain. So I have been using a wheelbarrow, and here's the interesting thing about a wheelbarrow. Nowadays, they're kind of expensive. I spent $100 on my wheelbarrow. So when you take a look at what a wheelbarrow can do versus what this Homeowner can do, we're only talking about a $49 difference. Now here's the thing. A wheelbarrow does have an advantage over a Homeowner, and that is you can mix concrete in it. If you've got a sidewalk slab you've got to pour, well, a wheelbarrow is your friend. But beyond that, a wheelbarrow will have you working like a pack mule. And the reason for that is you got one little tire. And if you're hauling any water or concrete, you know, even if it's just a whole lot of gravel and you tip from one side or to the other, it can really get away from you. Whereas the Homeowner, there's no way it's going to get away from you because it's got two tires, it's very stable, and it's designed to haul things. I use it to haul my tools, to be honest with you. I throw in, the shovel, the rakes, the hedge trimmers, the weed whackers, everything into the back of the Homeowner, and then I take it to that section of the yard that I'm working on. You can't really do that in a wheelbarrow. Now, the other thing that I've come to really love about this utility cart is the fact that it carries up to 600 pounds. Now, I've got a project coming up this weekend. I'm going to be installing an in-ground pool heater because, well, I want to continue with my exercises this winter, and even though we're in Florida, it still can get a little chilly at night. So I'm going to be installing this pool heater, and it weighs, well, a couple hundred pounds. Now normally, well, I certainly couldn't throw it on top of a wheelbarrow and then take it to the job site. I have used two-wheelers in the past to, take heavy objects to wherever it is that I need to take them. But with this, it'll be easy to load it up and then drive it to the back section of the house and drop it off near the pool. It's like I said, it weighs a couple hundred pounds. Now, here's the thing. You may not have anything that large to move, but if you're cleaning out the garage, I gotta tell you, you want this thing because you can load it up with a ton of stuff, drive it to the front of the house, and dump it because it works also like a like a dump truck because it's got a tailgate that you remove. Now, one of the things I like about the cart is it's got a back gate that you can pull out. And it makes it real easy for unloading. Now, the really cool thing about the trailer is beyond being able to lift up that gate, you can actually tip the bed and unload it. So let me show you how that works. Now, right in the back of the cart, with the back end of the cart, there's a little lever right here. You just pull that forward and then lift up. It opens up the back of the bed and it allows you to tip and unload. So you can load it high, folks, drive it to where you need to take it, and then dump whatever it is that you're carrying, whether, it's tree branches or cut grass or, lawn waste. So those are the advantages. It carries a lot of weight. It has twice the cubic feet that a wheelbarrow has. It doesn't have you out there working like you're a pack mule. You can carry all your tools, where a wheelbarrow is pretty doggone limiting in terms of what you can carry. It attaches like a dream to a riding lawnmower. Like I said, in a matter of seconds, just a pin and a clip, and you're ready to go. It is the perfect tool for doing spring cleanup and for doing fall cleanup. Because you can get a lot. You're going to get a lot in the back of the bed. Then when it gets dirty, what I do is I just pull that lever, I tilt the bed, and I hose it out. 1, 2, 3, and that's it, folks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a link in the description below to the Homeowner in the event that you don't have a Harbor Freight near you, so you can check it out for yourself. And then the other thing I'll make certain that I do is I'll also place links in the description to other utility carts, so you can take a look at them, maybe compare them in price and what they're able to do. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.